Hello everyone, welcome back to my plot. It is March the 5th today, and there's not an awful lot going on in the plot, but there is a few little jobs I want to do. I want to pick some leeks. I also want to pick some of the spinach, the perpetual spinach, and I want to pick the last of the spring onions. I also want to water a few things, because even though it's cold and it's March, we haven't had rain for quite a long time. I can't remember the last time we've had rain. It's been very, very dry February, and we haven't seen rain at all in March so far. So I'm going to give, and I can see the ground's cracking on some of the beds, which is usually you only see that happen in the summer, you know, when it's been hot for a week or so and we haven't had rain. So I'm going to give a few of the beds, which have still got some veggies in, a little bit of water. I'm also going to put a fleece over the, what do you call them, radishes. I planted some radish seed last week, I think, or the week before. We're going to get some cold weather, so I'm just going to put a bit of fleece over them, give them a little bit of protection since they're only little. I don't even know if there's any seedlings there yet, but give them a bit of protection, keep the soil warm, maybe help them grow. And I also want to fill up the watering cans and just put them in the little greenhouse. The greenhouse gets up quite hot temperatures, well, I say quite hot, quite warm temperatures during the day and cold at night. So I'm thinking that if I put the watering cans full of water in the greenhouse, then they'll act as a heat sink and will warm up during the day, and at night they'll slowly release that heat back into the greenhouse. It's just a thought, it's just to try something out. So I've got some bags of rabbit waste to get rid of, so I'm going to do that first, then I'm going to do the leeks, then I'll do the spinach and the spring onions. I'm not going to be here long, but I'll set the camera up and you can have a look around. Okay, I'll just switch off and turn the camera around. I've left the one spring onion in the ground because it's got a flower head on it. I'll take you in a bit closer. So it's got a flower head on it. So I'm going to leave that one to flower, see if I can get some seed from it. I might actually take it out and put it in a pot if I need this bed soon. but at the moment it can stay where it is. Oh, a couple of little turnips. They started to go to seed, so I might as well pick them all. They're not very big. Rather than let them go to seed, I'll just take them out. Just fix the netting, that's them. Just need to get a bag for them. Okay, well, I'm nearly done. I'm nearly ready to go. I'll just have a look at back in here. As you can see from this, the temperature's been swinging around from 33.6 degrees centigrade to minus 4.5, and it's currently at 607 degrees centigrade. So I'm going to leave that in here. Actually, what I'll do is I'll clear it. If I can find the button. Okay, so it's cleared. So it's now 7. Oh, it's now 8.2. Must be the heat off me. These little lettuces, yeah, we'll let them go and see what happens. There's not much action going on there. Pak choy, same again. They're still a bit small, but this was a pack of mixed pak choy, so you'll probably see the red one there. Really nice colour when it's fully grown, and the coriander. So I've left two watering cans full of water, and I'm hoping that they'll act as a heat sink. Well, let's have a look in here. Now there was 3 broad beans I put in there, but they were very, very old seed. I just wanted to try them out. I thought I'd try them instead of throwing them. Okay, that's me. I'm finished for today. Well, I'm finished up here for today. Just lock up the greenhouse. As you can see behind me, it's another grey day in Exeter. One of those grey, miserable. It's not too cold once you get moving around, but as you can see from the thermometer, down to minus 4.5 some nights, and we're due for more of that during the week again. So I'm watching YouTube, and I see other people planting tomatoes and things like that, and I'm thinking it's too early for tomatoes unless you've got a heated greenhouse, because tomatoes grow quite fast, and once they start growing, if you've grown them in the house, they'll grow quite fast, and they'll just get leggy. They'll grow so tall, just trying to look for some light. So I prefer to leave mine until at least April at least, just so that once they are a reasonable size, about 6 inches or maybe 8 inches, I can transport them here to the allotment without fear of damaging them, and get them in the ground. Or I don't really want to put them in the polytunnel, but I might have to. It'll depend on the weather. Everything depends on the weather. But that's it for me for today. It was just a little bonus. A few odd jobs, but I'm going home now. So look after yourself, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.